Bronco Raptor. I heard about these.
JBL sub. It's full just
18 power.
Okay. Go underneath?
Yep.
And Scott, wind speed.
Oh, goodness gracious. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's WithQ. You know, we're back. Another video. Thank y'all kicking with WithQ today. Y'all, we just got over here to Carlos' house. Here's red right here. We do got the new wheel lights on there that y'all probably saw in the last video. You haven't seen it, go check it out. But today we're actually getting new Vertex coilovers put on the truck because these are actually leaking now. So actually this side is fine over here. It is the passenger side that is leaking. This one here, you can kind of see it. Can I show y'all? Somewhere up in there, it's leaking a little bit down here. You can see like some oil residue down there. Actually, shout out to Rough Country. They sent me a brand new replacement set under warranty. Rough Country does stand by the product. That's one thing for sure. So yeah, we're gonna get a brand new set on there. Carlos is gonna do it. Of course, he got his truck. I guess while we waiting, I should ask him what we working on over here, because I see he got two new trucks over here I haven't seen before. It's this one.
This one is
like a 15?
2017
17.
GMC.
Yeah.
Full paint match, powder coated. The powder coated the lift. I mean the amp steps, hitch.
Oh, you gonna do in white?
Yeah.
White steps.
White
see,
steps. I can show you.
That's going too much to color match, bro. I see. That's what I'm saying. I think that's doing too much. Like,
And then white mirrors.
okay.
We're getting the headlights. We're almost done with it. We're almost done with it, actually. We have all the parts. They're back in the back.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
But all the bumpers were chrome. The grill was chrome.
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing the tail lights. We're doing the bed rails. Basically like a full paint match.
Full paint match.
Full paint match.
Are people doing the steps now? That's a thing?
No, not really. But he was asking how could he do it, and I was like, you
Yeah.
know what? I ain't never powder coated a set of steps. Let's do it. And he's like,
Yeah.
all
Okay.
right.
Something different.
You can
Hey man, you watch the video, whoever it is. I'm not talking about the truck. It's just new. I never seen people do steps, so I guess it's something different. Oh dang, they are. You can unwrap them. It's cool. You can just show them right there through the camera. They can see it. Interesting.
Yeah. So
I've
basically,
never
it's
seen
the
them
powder
before.
coat is Summit White, which is the same color as the truck,
Okay.
and that's the hitch.
Okay.
Also, we don't powder coat. We tend to my boy.
Gotcha.
It's pretty good at what he does. But yeah, this was doing just basically a full paint match.
Got
Truck was wrapped. The bumpers and stuff were wrapped white, and a lot of the stuff was wrapped black.
Okay.
Like it was a white and a black theme. I can give you. I can show you this Instagram. He's cool.
Okay. I'll put them
Super cool. It's a super clean truck.
Yeah.
To begin with,
For
but
2016.
the wrap was peeling. It was fading a little bit. So
Yeah.
we went ahead and ripped all the wrap off, and paint lasts a little bit longer too. It doesn't fade as fast.
Yeah.
So.
What size set was it? Some 16, 15 5s? 24, 14?
24, 14 on 33,
35.
1350.
33s?
33, yeah.
33, 1350. Okay.
Yep, 33, 1350.
Ain't like it was stretching.
He's doing new tires.
Oh yeah, it is stretching. Okay, I ain't see it.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
doing 33, 1450 Furies.
I like that skate look. It look nice.
No, it looks.
Yeah, it looks
damn good.
really
That's
nice.
what I'm about to throw on.
Oh, you gonna do that too?
33, yeah.
24, 33? 24, 16s?
24 watts.
24, 14, 33s?
2-inch spacers. Though.
Gotcha. Oh, 2-inch spacers is gonna be hard.
Always.
And what about this steel body over here? You know, we was talking about this last time I was here. I want to build one of these, bro. I really do, man. What's the lift on this white one right here? Do you know? 6? 4? 6? Really? Okay. Like he got a block a small. Oh yeah. I don't even need my little flashlight for this. There we go. Yeah, I love it.
What we get here is a 2014 F250 Platinum. We did a full paint match on the truck. We did the lift kit on it. It says at 12 inches in the front, and we got rear blocks for it as well because we put a leveling kit on the lift kit. So it leans pretty good, or it leaned pretty good. We're gonna put the block in there and get the lean out of it.
Okay. Oh, he wants to sit level?
It leans 4 inches right now.
Dang.
Yeah. So
it looks good though with the lean.
It's got a 6-inch block. We're gonna do an 8-inch block. The new PMF 8-inch rear block.
Okay.
We're on 24 2-inch spacers and 38s. It clears them lock to lock. No rub whatsoever.
Are these?
The reason why this one's here, he was in a wreck.
What?
So I built this truck like from the ground up. It was a 2014 F250 bone stock.
Yeah.
Not a single thing painted. You
Okay.
know.
It's clean. It's pretty.
It was like pop-all rig.
Yeah, it's a pretty truck, man. I want to.
Couldn't find a platinum grill, so there's a lariat grill on it.
Okay.
And then we wrecked the front end of it.
Ah, okay. Okay.
We had to do new headlights, new grill, brand new bumper.
Nice.
Yeah. It's just missing a couple things to be put together. Like I said, I have paint for it. I just didn't super busy. We just gotta throw it back together. Actually,
Yeah.
the insurance adjuster has to come look at a few of the bent parts.
Gotcha. McGoy's lift kit or just?
What was that?
It's a McGoy's lift kit.
Yeah, it's a full McGoy's kit.
Okay,
It's a
full
full-
McGoy's
I
kit.
think like a phase 3 or 4 with the 4-link,
Mhm.
with like a 10-inch spring, a 2-inch level.
Dang.
Yeah, it's a big mother.
Yeah, it is. Dude, look how long this thing is freaking huge.
And he
This-
does the same exact color as I did on my powder.
Okay.
It's like a star white, which is the
Yeah.
same color as my truck, but with just a little bit of flake in it. Is what I always do.
Okay. Yeah, that's
It's
nice.
overall clean ass truck.
Yeah, it is. I open it. Can I see the inside?
Yeah, there's a bunch of door panels open. We got the mirrors off.
Oh, I got you. Oh, okay. I ain't never seen no inside of these. Okay.
Good
Yeah.
old steel body.
Yeah, man. I want one, dude. I really do. It's because they're not too much to buy,
No, they're not.
you know, and then they still look good, you know. It's still, yeah.
I
So,
mean, obviously we did our rock lights and wheel lights on it.
yeah. How many?
We got 16 rock lights.
16 rocks. Okay.
Maybe 16 rock lights and then quadro wheel lights.
Gotcha. That's a pretty
Right.
cup. Very pretty truck.
A little soft on it too. It's got a little 5-inch exhaust all the way around.
Oh, do it? Is he running spacers?
Yeah.
I think you said that already.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's got a full no limit piping kit.
Okay.
Obviously with the 5-inch exhaust. We tuned it as well.
I was tuned.
I runs pretty good.
What exhaust that?
That's an
if I-
axle pump.
Oh, I see it.
So,
Right there.
Yup.
Yep. Nice truck, man. This thing's pretty, man.
No, man.
You,
It rides pretty good for how big it is too.
Yeah,
I
too.
finally convinced him to do clears because he had black headlights in it. I think the clears
oh
took the
yeah,
head
nah,
seldom.
yeah, especially with the white chrome clears. It ties into the chrome grill.
The LEDs and everything.
Yeah, it ties in. It's a good looking truck.
It's a nice ass truck.
It is.
It rides good. I like it. Suspension is pretty much damn near the same thing.
What's yours?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
okay.
that's a beautiful Jeep. I mean, Jeep. Beautiful Bronco.
That's the Raptor.
The-
So it's the.
Oh, it's the R?
no,
the
just
Ford.
the regular Raptor. Bronco Raptor.
The Bronco Raptor. I heard about these. So what's special about the Bronco Raptor package?
It's basically.
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No,
I'm sorry.
I don't care.
Okay.
No, it's basically the Raptor put into the Broncos.
Okay,
the
gotcha.
Ford- the F-150?
How about V6?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you buy a Raptor, you should get a damn V8.
V8. I love the wheels, by the way.
Thank you.
I really like it. You ever see the inside of this thing?
Oh yeah.
You open it?
Is it key in it?
Yeah, it should be.
What'd you do this, Lo? Oh, you doing
Just
this?
rock lights.
Oh, you got some rocks on here?
Well, rock lights.
Ah, you want to light it up for us?
Just hit the on button on the key fob.
Oh, you gotta look at this. That's the system back here.
Oh yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I'll show you.
Oh, here's the interior, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing is nice. Ford has killed it with the interiors. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yes,
they
most
have.
definitely. They killed,
Oh,
they
okay.
killed it with the Broncos and the Raptors.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
amazing. So,
No, this is nice.
well, I can't open it up.
Nah, okay,
They did full DS18.
okay.
Let me see if I can pop this down.
Oh,
Yeah. So we've got JBL sub. I believe the one on the back's a JBL as well, sub as well, and then we did full DS18 tower.
nah, I bet this thing loud as hell.
Yeah, and we did DS18 tweeters on the backs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go to new coilovers, guys. Coming out. Hopefully they made some revisions. Cause I got like the first rendition of these things, man. So I'm pretty sure they probably improved them a little bit. You would hope, you know, since first coming out.
Look, I mean, they're gonna look.
They're gonna look the same, but hopefully they maybe change some internals or something. You know, yeah. Gonna set those puppies to 3, by the way.
3?
3. Yep. All right, there we go. These joints heavy.
Hell yeah.
Hold on,
This
let me.
is just one coilover.
Here, I know. Let me hold. I want to hold it real quick. Let me do it on camera. Let me see. I'm just feeling the joint. Ah, come on, Carlo. You just gotta get in the weight room.
I mean,
bruh.
sorry you buff.
You just gotta get in the weight. I'm sorry, you buff.
Pick it up. Pick it up with one hand.
One
then.
hand? It's hard to grip it.
No.
Look, yeah, it's hard to grip it. Oh yeah, I can pick this up. Yeah. Bob's so strong like that though.
It's a lot heavier than you thought though.
It
right?
is a lot heavier than I thought. I ain't gonna cap. It do got some weight to it.
You just scratched it.
I did. I scratched what?
Oh hell yeah.
What I scratched?
You scratched everything.
Don't stop, man. We are going to adjust these. There's like you use a little tool.
Probably a little bit lower.
These?
No, those ones. Oh no, yeah. These ones just a little bit further down.
So these are raised up a little higher.
Yeah, probably. Like
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I think. So we go try to do what he was doing. He was counting the number of threads right there showing because I want to make sure I got the same height rod on the new set. So that's what he was measuring. But anyway, guys. Huh?
So we can let it nose dive if you want.
Nah, I don't want the nose dive, man. Okay. Good job. Okay, my boy. Sheesh, we just pulled up on him. There you go. What's up, man? You all right?
How you doing?
Pretty good, bro. I see you. Motherfucker hard. Yes, sir. I see you, man. Hey, you don't mind putting on the channel, do you?
You good?
And you skating? Man, tell me what you got to it. How you doing?
Hey, good, how are you?
Good. Tell what you got done to it real quick before you run off on me. Oh, what we got? What? Just tell them real quick.
Compound setup, 80 over injectors, fuel pump, air dog, a lot of fuel and turbo. That's really
That's it.
Yeah, that's all.
Dang. He said that's it.
And the trans is down a little bit.
Oh, hey, that's player. That's actually smartest. You did it yourself?
Carlos did it.
Carlos Lowe's did that?
Yeah.
Damn, so what we looking at right now? I don't know what the hell I'm looking at, bro.
It's compound setup, so
Turbos?
turbo, another turbo underneath.
Yep.
And it's got king speed, air intake.
Yeah.
And then injectors. It's got push rods, head studs, springs.
How much horsepower you making? You have you a range? I have no
Round
idea. 8?
round.
It move?
It'll walk at 10 speed, F250.
That sound like a challenge.
Motor work done.
You would hope to.
Right.
Stop.
Yeah, he's clean on here too.
You know, it keeps up on the jump. It's a
Oh,
covered front.
y'all already done it before?
What?
Y'all already ran it?
Oh yeah, that was fast as fuck. Basically all these lines can get,
Yeah.
taken out of the way, and then when we drop it down, it's going to come down a little bit further too. We good, man.
Woohoo, them turbos sound crazy.
Get it? Yeah. Hold on. All right, you can let it down. That's good. The other one.
Q, I hate you, man.
I told you, bro.
Oh,
He done goofed us.
nah.
Watch out. Move that, lift that
Don't
line up.
touch me.
Lift that. I'm not touching shit.
I see right
Oh,
there. There it
got
is.
that bit. That thing keeps slipping out.
It's
But once
slipping
you
out.
get
Yeah,
it,
once
it's
you
in
get it,
there.
it's easy. There it is. Big twist.
It is the same shit.
Way up.
Huh?
Way up.
Keep doing
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold the rib.
Yeah, fuck that.
No, I'm going in the truck.
Look at that. Ryan was like, cute. What the fuck? I had no idea, man. All right. Holy crap. Oh, shit. This motherfucker sound good as shit, though. Bro. Hey, that's
I was
dope.
roasting them.
You say what?
I was spinning them.
Yeah, you was. Yeah, I felt it.
So you get rid of the floor and get a Dodge. They're fun.
Oh, there you go. Still spinning. Sheesh. Damn, this thing sound good. All right, guys. Shout out to Ryan for hooking me up, man. So we actually had to go get another tie rod for the passenger side. So we got this one replacing it. We're gonna be replacing this whole fucking thing right here.
Back together, though.
Yeah, let me go check it out. All right, so Carlo got the other side back together. You got it lowered and everything?
Yeah, it's there.
Yes, sir. Carlo got me right, man. Yeah. Already.
Coilovers look good.
Yeah, they do. See. This is player. Goodness gracious. Golly.
Scooch.
That thing is nuts, bro. Sheesh. Oh my God. That is freaking nuts. All right, you sit in the passenger? All right, watch out. Oh, these Jeeps, no steps.
Something about the way they bring it to you. Turning up the sound.
Oh, that's dope, man. Dude, but it's so clear.
There's
It's
20,
crystal clear.
23 total speakers in here.
20, okay.
Everything's DS18, one Nemesis 12. It's one of the top of the line 12s.
Okay.
On a 4,000 watt amp. Bigger alternator, batteries,
Yeah.
big 3 upgrade. Man, there's all kinds of shit in here.
Man, dude, 23 speakers,
There's
man.
12 above the head
Yeah.
alone. There's 6 in the dash.
Man.
Towers and tweeters in the very back,
Yeah,
and then the
that's it.
one sub. Little grocery getter.
I got a grocery getter. This is dope, man. I appreciate you showing me, man. What's the setup on your Jeep, if you don't mind me asking? Like wheels, tires, suspension?
I got a 6-inch Rough Country
Okay.
Vertex Coilover kit with KG1s, 1-ton steering, full weld-on axle truss kit, gears, drive shafts. Man, I've done everything.
What's a 1-ton steering? I'm not familiar with
1-ton
Jeeps.
steering is going to be all the upgraded 1-ton tie rods and stuff. So everything you got like on Super Duties
Oh,
and
okay.
2500s.
Gotcha.
So all your 1-ton steering,
Okay.
tie rod, drag link,
Gotcha.
upgraded track bars,
Okay.
full control arm kit. Man, I've done it all.
Where can they find your Instagram? I'm just the name for them. Boudreaux, you from Louisiana, bro?
Yes, sir.
Let me see, Boudreaux. Okay, there we go. Focus. Boom. And what's the other one? There we go. There it is. Boom. I got it. It just took a little muscle, man. I know y'all ain't got no. It's just a little muscle.
Get your strong ass up in here.
Carlos cracked me up, bro.
There, we can get the power button right now. Fuck, no, that's too much. That's probably pretty close to where it was. Can you get it where it should be? What do you want these set at?
3.
3, 2, 1.
Damn, butter. All right, guys, so we all done with the truck. Ryan and Carlos got me all back settled, so here you go. That's how I look down. Brand new Rough Country Vertex Coilover kit. And actually, they say they think we sitting up a little bit higher, man. I'm not sure. But Carlos, you did say I went like a 1/4 inch higher? Yeah. Yeah, about a 1/4 inch. Hold on, let me get you rolling. Yeah, I know, man. A cast, bro.